The Simpure Y7 PBW UV Countertop Reverse Osmosis Water Filtration Purification System is here to deliver just that. With its advanced 4-stage RO water filtration system, UV sterilization, and bottle design, this system provides a convenient and efficient way to enjoy purified water right in your home or office. With no installation required and a compact countertop design, the Simpure Y7 PBW ensures that pure and refreshing water is always within reach. Advanced 4-stage filtration for pure water. The Simpure Y7 PBW utilizes a 4-stage reverse osmosis RO filtration process to ensure the removal of impurities and contaminants from your water. The system effectively filters out sediment, chlorine, heavy metals, chemicals, and other harmful substances, leaving you with clean and great-tasting water. The high-quality RO membrane and activated carbon filters work together to provide superior filtration performance, ensuring that you and your family can enjoy the benefits of pure drinking water. UV sterilization for added protection. In addition to the 4-stage filtration, the Simpure Y7 PBW features a UV sterilization system. The integrated ultraviolet light kills 99.99% of harmful microorganisms, such as bacteria and viruses, ensuring that your drinking water is free from harmful pathogens. This extra layer of protection enhances the safety and purity of the water you consume, giving you peace of mind and confidence in the quality of your drinking water. Bottleless design for convenience. Say goodbye to the hassle of constantly replacing water bottles with the Simpure Y7 PBW's bottleless design. This system connects directly to your water source, eliminating the need for bulky water bottles and reducing plastic waste. The countertop dispenser provides instant access to purified water, allowing you to fill up your glass, pitcher, or reusable bottle whenever you need. The compact size of the dispenser makes it ideal for small spaces, such as kitchens, offices, or dorm rooms. User-friendly operation. The Simpure Y7 PBW is designed with user convenience in mind. With no installation required, setting up the system is quick and effortless. The intuitive control panel and LED display make it easy to monitor the system status and adjust settings as needed. The dispenser also features a large water tank capacity, minimizing the need for frequent refills. Additionally, the BPA-free materials ensure that the water remains free from harmful chemicals and contaminants. That's all I have to say. Please subscribe to my channel since I upload useful videos every day. Please read my description if you require any additional details or want to know the cost of the goods. Comment below if you have any problems of any type. Keep up with our innovative items because they will make your life more simpler.